Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bead Lovers. I'm Miss Stitches, and today I want to share with you how to make this easy frozen key holder. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Let's get started. Materials needed: scissors, keychain, needle, fish line, and sugar beads. To start, we need 6 sugar beads. So with the sugar beads, you can use any color of your choice. You can use 3, 2 colors, or 1 color. So you have to tie it very well because the sugar beads with the hole inside, they are very big. Okay, the holes are big. So you pass the fish line through 2 blues, or let me say through the 2 first beads. Then you pull it so the knot can hide inside the hole, so it's not visible. This part, we need 5 sugar beads. Note, I'm using 2 colors, so I arranged it 1 blue, 1 pink, 1 blue, 1 pink, and passed it backwards to the second bead. 1, 2 to the second bead, so we can continue from there. So now we need 4 beads. The first one was 6, and then 5, and now 4. And you arrange it the same way. That is, if you are using 2 colors. Then you pass it through the pink to the second blue, which is 3 beads, to the second blue, so you can get your 6. Then you repeat the same process. Repeat the same process to the last part. So with the last part, we need 3 beads. Okay, 3 beads, and arrange it the same way. That is, if you are using 2 colors, and then pass it through the first pink to the blue and to the second pink, then to the blue again. Okay, so the fish line can come out. Then we start the next process. So after you do it right, you get a round part. Like when you count it, it will add up to 6. Okay, you don't have to put it into the pink, it has to come out from the blue. Then we start the next part. Exactly. So with the final part, we need 3 beads. Okay, I am using a different color, but you can use the same colors if you want, and pass it through. You jump the pink and pass it through the 2 blues. Okay, so it can come out of the second blue. 1, 2, the second blue. Repeat the same process. 3 beads, pass it through the 2 blues, so it can come out from the second blue, so the fish line can come out from the second blue. Yes. So you repeat the same process for the other parts. Okay, 3 beads, pass it through the 2 blues, so it comes out from the second blue. With the last part, you need 3 same beads. Okay, you need 3 same beads, but this time you pass it through the first blue. And fix the keychain. You fix the keychain or the key holder and pass it through the second blue to the red. You pass it through the second blue to the red, and then you pass the fish line through everything. That is, if you have enough time, you pass it through everything, because the firmer it is, the longer it lasts. Okay, so make sure you pass it through where the keychain is. That is where it should be more. After passing the fish line through, you cut off the excess thread or fish line off, and here is your easy handmade frozen key holder. Who said you can't do this at home? Yes, you can. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of this. Like, comment, and share. Hope to see you in my next video. Hope you are enjoying it too. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. See you again. Bye.